Prepped up here. Got sliced onions today. Got Lowry seasoned salt, a little fresh cracked pep, butter, and everybody's favorite, shredded cheese. Let them sit on the grill for a little bit, and it'll make an excellent topping to my burger. Oh, got the old Junk Ass BBQ fired up here. Running about a toasty 400 degrees, and we're going to throw these things on here. Oh yeah, get her all warmed up here. She's a flaming real good. We're going to do these on the top rack today. I got the old containment built here for the onions in the catch pan. I got some butter in there. Ready to rock. Can't stress enough the importance of a clean grill. So you gotta get it old scrubbed up. Oh yeah. Just gotta get the crodies off from the last time here. Get her all shined up here. And if you want, just go ahead and throw a little dressing on the old grill grates there, but I think we won't take away from the flavor. We'll just get it cooking. Well, I just want to stress the importance of keeping your Junk Ass BBQ looking in tip-top shape. Oh, here we have the untreated side. And that is before canola oil, and over here we have the treated side. Oh, would you just look at that glisten? Man, it's like brand new. Ha! Who'd have thunk? Canola oil. And you know, the only thing in canola oil is canola oil. Look at that thing. I don't even know what a canola is. Another thing I want to stress, boys and girls, today is it's important when having meat stored outside. Keep it covered, because you don't want no bugs or anything on there. You also don't want to be, you know, dealing with that. You got the old burgers on there. The heat reduced down to low there. Onions are coming along nicely. Over here, got some hot dogs for the girls. Yeah, look at me go. Secret, boys and girls, is Lowry seasoning salt. That's all I use. And I got the cheese slices over here, and they're ready to go on the burgers when it's time. We're going to close it up. Slow roll this thing. Temperatures drop quite a bit. Basically, I'm going to sit back in the chair here next to the shrub and enjoy my drink and enjoy the glisten of my freshly shined Junk Ass BBQ. Man, that canola oil really makes her shine. Sun's going down now. Mama's got some clothes on the line. I just applied the cheese here. I'm going to close up the lid, let her melt a little bit. Onions look amazing as always, and so do the hot dogs. Now we got prepared for takeoff here. Oh baby, would you just look at that? Get the old cheese scraped off here, yeah, right on the old cookie sheet. Uno, and a dos, and a tres. Oh yeah. Got some nice onions here. Those look nice and done here. Get them on the old cookie sheet. That way I don't burn my hands. Oop. Lost the wiener. Looks like the dog's gonna get that one. That's what I get for trying to watch my phone and scoop wieners at the same time. Oh boy. Sure brought the old tongs out. Oh. Don't got any onions, but I guess it'll be okay here. Oh! Alright, good enough. One more. Alright. And as always, kids, shut your gas off, huh? Rock and roll. Let it burn down. Oh yeah! Oh yeah, that one's gonna be for the dog. So we'll just leave that right there, let it cool. Thanks for joining me on another episode of my Junk Ass BBQ. So I'm going to take the old plate of food in here and gonna eat it. Look at it. stay tuned this weekend. Probably going to throw some things on the smoker. See how that turns out. Peace out.